take away nights? How many miles did we burn just to see a little of the world? How many times did we say we'll forever be this way? How many days did we spend wishing we would never have to end? We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016 in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you. Once I'm leaving, I still feel it. I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you cleaned out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore. We don't talk, we don't talk anymore. How many nights do we go out? Always had something to talk about. Palace kitchen, sitting and listening, feeling the floor and up in the clouds. We weren't perfect for each other, but we were running away from another love. Couldn't get enough, did everything we dreamed of. In 2016 in Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of you. Some evenings I still feel it. I crack a smile when my heart's bleeding on the floor. I guess you clean out my drawer, 'cause we don't talk anymore. We don't talk, we don't talk anymore. And I'll always remember our last day, November 17th. We didn't want to wake up from our dream. From 2016, Seattle, I hope you know that I'm thankful for all we did and all we tried to do. Sometimes I still dream of